All right, now everything is all dry. We got the clamps off. We're gonna put some silicone around the edges, and we're gonna, just to make it sit a little better, I think I want to take a wire brush. There. Just kind of trying to get as much dust off as we can here. Coming out just a fairly nice little thin, not real thick, but make sure we get down in here. It's a little bit bigger gap, so we want to make sure we get all that filled in. You take that finger and run it along there, and
got air pocket in there.
yeah.
I should do that.
I got these on, and I got them wet.
Okay.
Now we're running a little bead right along here as well.
Okay.
Because this is where water kind of soaks in there, and that's the problem we had before. And you may have to fill some of that in.
Yeah, that's where I was going. That and like that.
Yeah, we don't put a whole lot on. I had 3 other tubes of clear and opened them up, and they were dried out. So this is the only one that was soft. So we'll make it work.
Bring it back the other way there. Okay. Should be able to get that down in there. Take some of this and go over here.
Yeah.
Make it a little thicker than. We're not really worried about what it looks like as long as it seals up.
Yeah. Well, we probably won't paint it this year, but for sure next year we'll paint it again. Now we'll run a bead along this side, and
Oh, what's this here? Bring some down here. Yeah, right. Oh, no, that's not. The other way. Yeah, there you go. Skipping that.
I got my glove all messed up now, so it's not.
We ready?
Yeah.
This side. You go along here and here,
Yeah, that's kind of.
just a camera. Make sure you're good there. You good? Okay.
Now I'm not going to wire brush that side because
No.
got caulking on it.
Exactly. Okay.
And this is the bottom, so it's not quite as important as the top and the sides, but
Ooh, that's a nice smooth read.
yeah,
Oopsie.
you're changing angles as you're moving back.
Yeah. Pretty good though. Mark your finger down here. It looks like a little. I guess.
That's what it's supposed to do.
Okay.
You want me to do it from this side? Sorry, switch, okay.
When you spread out, it'll get the
Yeah.
rest of it, I think. Okay.
That's good.
Ouch.
Oh, it got pretty good. With the angle you have it,
Kinda
it's laying flat. Where here we had a little gap.
Yeah.
I'll turn it sideways a little bit. There you go.
Try and not get into it over here.
Yeah.
What my problem was.
All right, now. Let's.
We need to come this way. Okay.
Now we're going to do the other side.
Brush it. Oh, this isn't bad.
If you can see it on camera, with a lot of dust kept coming out of there.
Yeah, let's go to that spot. There you go. We'll then get over in here. These strips, we'll get with the stuff. Oops.
Okay, this one's going to take quite a bit more. I want to
Especially
fill
in
all
here.
that in, yeah.
Yep. Get this first, I think.
Yeah. A little bit more than that in there. Just squeeze more and pull a little slower. You don't need to rub back and forth. And another bead on there. Put a bead on it.
Don't press hard. Yeah, all kinds of extra. Don't need to put a bead on this side now.
Like that big gap in it.
We should just
Kind of
pull down
moving.
here even.
Yeah, we're gonna. But
Okay.
we need to
Go
come
ahead.
along here.
Yeah. Put some on there. Oh, that's pretty good.
I might have enough just to do this right here
Yeah.
under my finger.
Right here. Missed the spot. There you go. Yeah, that was pretty smooth on this side.
Yeah, this one was pretty good. It hadn't pulled away or nothing.
Right.
And same thing with this one here, just a light bead across there.
Well, you get it spread out. Oops, I should get
Yeah,
it
you
further.
completely missed.
Yeah, I see that.
Got the ridge here. You put it on this side, you needed it on this
Yeah.
side.
Yeah, okay.
Not a very pretty job, but
As long as it works, that's all that matters.
yeah. I probably should have, when I first did it, siliconed around all of it to help seal it up a little better, because the paint didn't seal it that well.
That's for sure.
Now we got 2 more seams to go.
All we got is this and this, right?
Yep.
Yep, okay.
We got 2 of them left to do.
Okay. You want to grab from here, and then we should be able to just get it flipped. Oh, we don't want that stuff on the ground.
Okay.
Yeah, get it from. Ow, farts. There we go again. Okay. Ready?
All right. We got this edge and this edge. That's all we have left. Move the camera a little closer. There we go.
Yeah, we're getting further away, aren't we?
Yeah.
Each time we roll, that thing comes this way. Okay.
I need a paper towel.
Now that's the problem. here. Okay. That should do it. That big gap over here. Way more in there. Yeah, you can put it up there. There you go.
There's a little hole in there, so I want to put some in there.
Oh, that's good.
It cracked open.
You want some on that edge, so I'm gonna leave
Yeah.
a little extra up here.
And you don't leave extras. You're full up there.
Okay.
That's good.
Okay. That'll be it. Go along the edge here.
Yeah.
See it? I can see where it's kind of flipping up
Yeah.
there. Oh, down there. See that gap? I'll show you.
I'll show you what she's talking about down here. Right here.
There was a
There's
lid.
a little.
Go back and put this one right in underneath there. There we go.
There was a little crack. There's some cracks over here.
Okay. That looks pretty good. You need some more. Okay. Oh, right here too. Yeah. Crack right here too. I'll put some stuff on it. Okay. I think that's
Okay.
it.
There we go. Now, a good coat of paint, and it'll be ready. There we go. We're all set.
You got a cork for this?
Not the best job, but hey,
It works.
it's just an air conditioning cover, so it works.
Homemade air conditioning cover.
Yeah, well,
Yeah.
homemade because I made it at home, right? That makes it homemade instead of factory made. That makes them better.